show. Oftentimes it was 107, 109, 110 with heat index in Jackson, Mississippi. Last week of July, this cowgirl, without breaking a sweat on a short go Saturday night, won a world title in the teens. Mary Frances Thoreau of Stark, Florida. You watch one of the best in the youth world. You gotta watch her taking money in rodeo, and I'll guarantee you. Wrangler National Finals Rodeo, she's got one in her future. Flit is the horse for Mary Frances Thoreau out of Florida. You talk about Stark, Florida, you think about some of the best in the business. A ton of talent that runs deep within the water table, under the ground in Florida. Team